Hi there, this is Irene from Adroit Architecture. Let me start by thanking you for supporting our channel. We have received a lot of support from you, your comments, your questions, and your thumbs up. Your support keeps us going and encourages us to keep creating good content for you. So if you're watching and you haven't subscribed yet, we have a lot of people watching our videos and they have not yet subscribed. Consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell. We are truly grateful and we value your support and your feedback as well. If you have any questions for us or any suggestions on any content you'd like us to create for you, you can email us or leave it on the comment section below. Today we bring to you yet another maisonette house plan. Let us look at the Classique 4-bedroom maisonette house plan. I personally like this design a lot. It has a special place in my heart. The name says it all. This is a classic design that is well executed. The spaces are well utilized. All the rooms are just the right size with no wasted space or dead space. The terraces provided allow you to enjoy the outdoors and give you great views of your surroundings. A semi-enclosed lobby ushers you into the inside of the house. The first thing you have right at the entrance is the staircase. This is a great place to position your staircase, where it will not take up a lot of space and is discreetly tucked away. We have utilized the space under the staircase to tuck in the shared bathroom, private and accessible to all. On the other side of the staircase, you have a spacious lounge with a nice and cozy dining area at the end. Both the lounge and the dining area are spacious enough to take in all your furniture and leave you with enough circulation space. From the lounge, you have a side door that takes you to an outdoor terrace. The outdoor terrace overlooks the front and the side of your house. Beyond the lounge, you have a spacious kitchen with a walk-in pantry and a kitchen island. The kitchen has a back door that takes you to the backyard, where you have a Dhobi area. You have one en-suite spacious bedroom located downstairs. As you enter the bedroom downstairs, there's a small enclosed space that is just right for a washer and a dryer. The machines are piped to the bedroom behind. This room makes a perfect indoor laundry room. Upstairs, you have a spacious en-suite master bedroom with a walk-in closet and a balcony facing the side of the house. You have two other spacious en-suite bedrooms. Each bedroom can comfortably fit 2 single beds and working areas. All the rooms upstairs have access to a common balcony facing the front of the house. This house plan has a total of 197 square meters. Downstairs, we have 101 square meters and upstairs, we have 96 square meters. You have an additional 32 square meters of terrace space. The overall plinth dimension of the Classique 4-bedroom house plan is 13.8 meters by 13.6 meters. This house plan is perfectly suited to sit on an 1/8-acre piece of land, that is a 50 by 100. The construction cost for this house is approximately 7.5 million. Our calculation of the construction cost is based on the Institute of Quantity Surveyors Construction Cost Handbook, the 2019-2020 edition. Now, as we always say, keep in mind that the construction cost can vary for many reasons, including the location of your project, the materials that you choose to use, and the finishes that you use. And that is the Classique 4-bedroom maisonette house plan. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and to like this video. I'll see you in our next video.